You may be trying to change the water filter on your LG fridge, or you're trying to troubleshoot problems where water is not coming out and so on. So let me give you some tips, because I've made some mistakes and there's no information on the net, and it's really hard to find any info from the user manual. If you put it in and then you take it out, and then you put it in again and take it out, you'll see that it will eat up the plastic. The plastic is not designed on the filter to be taken on and off. And what will happen is the water will start leaking, and that's going to cause you a lot of problems. So the way that I put in my filter, if you just use one hand and turn it, you'll find that it won't turn. It'll just be stuck. And so what you have to do is you have to use two hands and slowly force it in. And what you'll find is that the coupling eats away the plastic a little bit so that it keeps it in place. You see here that there's a little bit of plastic eaten away already. Once you finish replacing the filter, you can reset the water filter by holding on to it for 3 seconds, and then it will reset it for the next 6 months.